Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 71 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the future of humanity. So let's start. So I have a question for you. What do you think when you think about future? When I think about future, I think of flying cars, robots, space travel, artificial intelligence and many more. Technology is so much fast, becoming vast day by day. It is incredible. We can't say what will happen next. Have you ever imagined about the artificial intelligence before? No, na. But in past, what it was seemed impossible is now becoming possible day by day. In past, we were not imagining that someday artificial intelligence will come, or someday WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or technology will so become vast that we will able to communicate with people far away from us. We were not imagining that, but now it has become possible, and we are doing that. We are using AI, we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram and every social media sites. We are leaving the world which we haven't imagined before. We are imagining it. So that's why it is said that future is unpredictable. We cannot predict future, so we should live in present, because we have never imagined that someday artificial intelligence will come and it will make our study easier, make our life easier. In school or in colleges now, students or teachers or professors, they are using artificial intelligence. If any doubt we are having, we just ask ChatGPT or any other AI tools. We ask that. If we have to search any job or anything, we can just use Claude. So many opportunities are there, but this was not before. So life is really amazing. It always tests us, our patience, how we behave, how we exist in life. So my topic was the future of humanity. So I have covered that the future of humanity in technology will again come in future. Advanced technology will come, and machine will come, technology will come, but we as a human, we will remain same. So what we should do so that our future will be good? So for that we should spread kindness. We should be polite to everyone, each and everyone, because machine is non-living thing and we are living thing. So there is a difference between that, right? So we should spread kindness, we should be polite, we should work hard on each and everything. And when it comes to future of humanity, there is disadvantages also, and that is that pollution. There will be pollution, there will be deforestation, there will be there will be soil erosion, there will be many disadvantages also, because when technology comes, it brings some disadvantages. But we should deal with that, because when future generation will come, they will have to deal with that. So we should do something for sustainable development. So, and this no matter we are from which country, which state, which religion, it doesn't matter. We are the child of the earth planet. So we should think how to sustain life in earth in future also, because I know technology's advancement is good, but future planning with sustainable goal is also good. So we should think about that. And apart from all these, we should also think how to manage each and everything, because and learning should not stop. Learning should not stop after school or colleges, because as technology is changing day by day, so it requires knowledge, it requires learning. As AI and new AI tools are coming, so we should also be advanced, we should also be we should also learn that technology so that we are able to use that. And one thing I will say that destiny does not write future. It's the decision that we make today writes future. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.